Yahoo! Arigato-san desu! How are you doing? Did anything interesting happen this week? What's new for me is that my relatives came from out of town. I started a new commission art and a new manga chapter based on my friend's fanfiction. Yay! Maybe you know the Chinese novel Erha. I don't know how to say it correctly in English. By the way, our manga is about the main characters in that story. Well, right now I'm drawing Usagi from Sailor Moon. Of course you know her. I love that anime so much. I saw a beautiful I saw a beautiful shot from the anime on the social network and realized that I wanted to draw this in my style, and I wonder what will become out of it. I think that Sailor Moon is an anime of the ages, for the ages, to be correct, and important classic that everyone loves. In general, I love old anime, but that's not what I'm talking about today. I start my drawing with a sketch. I draw a basic line of body curvature to make it easier to navigate when I draw in a pose. This is a useful technique, it often helps me. Then I draw the head and then the rest of the body. Now that I'm done with the body, I can start work on the face. Usagi's face is pretty cute, I like to draw that too. At the first I wanted to repeat the same facial expression as in the picture, but I changed my mind and I made it a little more emotional. I let myself get a little nostalgic. I watched this anime for the first time when I was 5 or 6 years old, when my parents bought me a video cassette. My favorite characters were Rei and Makoto, but when I saw Haruka Tenno, she won my little heart. Because I was little and I didn't understand whether she is a girl or a boy, it didn't matter to me, I just really liked her. Then I rewatched the anime when I was 18 and fell in love with Haruka again. Oh ho ho! It was more like a coming out. If you have the similar stories, tell in the comments, please. Now it's time to do the line. Even thought I'm trying to make the line as smooth here, but I still like the more chaotic style. I only do very smooth line when I draw face or in certain details that I want to emphasize. I think that a perfectly straight line makes my drawing look lifeless. I love drawing eyes, especially when I paint with color. I'm done with the line, yay! Now, my favorite part, the color. I decided to take the palette from the picture because I want colors like in the anime. I start by filling the background with color. It's more convenient to work with when I match the skin tone. And since while the pencil is charging, I'll have some hot chocolate. Delicious. When the drawing is finished, I do a stroke. I like that style of charged or calligraphic line. And then I make color correction. Why it's so difficult to say? Color correction, apply certain effects and so on. But I like the drawing so much that I don't know which version I like better, with or without strokes. Wow, I am finished! Yatta! You can look at both drawings and decide which one you personally like. I enjoyed the process of drawing this time because before I felt a little uncomfortable trying to capture something on camera, honestly. I'm glad you watched this video to the end. Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。Write a comment, like it, and don't forget to subscribe to see new videos. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。